Hi. Can you hear me? Oh my god. I'm in my girl cave. I'm in my girl cave. Welcome to the girl cave. So I want to start playing like indie horror games because I've been watching Critical play it. And I like obsessively, like I sleep to it. I watch it like all day. If I'm not doing anything, I just watch Charlie. So I want to watch, or I want to play. I want to actually try to play it, like something. But the only problem is I've watched almost every single one that he's played. So I already know the endings. But, like, I've watched so many that maybe I don't think I'll remember everything. But I need, like, recommendations.
Huh?
Fears to what? Fears to Fathom? I'm getting a lot of Fears to Fathom. I'm not playing Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll play Fears to Fathom. I got new monitors today, so my shit is like acting skippy. It's like all over the place. I'm gonna play Fears to Fathom tonight. Oh, Ray wants to come in. Hold on. Come up. Say hello. Don't be rude. Look at this greyhound. Anyway. Here's to Fathom. Here, let me share this screen. Okay.
Boom, there we go.
Take the clothes off the hoe.
Yes, let me get some W's in the chat, y'all. Everybody spam that W key right motherfucking now, y'all. Yes, we love a good tech queen. Are you getting on Overwatch tonight? Because I can't get
Yes,
off.
I will. I'm going to play some of this. I don't know if I'm going to finish this. But this is just, I'm going to give it a little taste of this. Just to see if well, I shouldn't play from controller. I'm going to play from my keyboard and mouse.
As you should.
Okay. Thank you.
Right.
Thank
I love you, baby.
Love you, baby.
Enjoy my sex room after you're done. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. 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 Woodbury Getaway. December 8th. Needed coffee to get done with the day. Space to get up. Oh, you guys, I watched this. Okay, I guess damn, I walk slow. I couldn't leave just yet. Had to get coffee. Okay. Look at this place. Look at this fucking mess. People work here, Kim. Yeah, I've seen spoilers. I like just watched this. Need water. Oh, where do I get water? In the sink? In the sink? Probably. You're a vegetable. You're a vegetable. Fucking Tony is gonna have me singing that for like the next hour and a half. Hey, you're a vegetable. It's like a buffet. You're a vegetable. RMB. Like literally RMB. Those are the most awkward RMB to sip. What the fuck is RMB? Oh. Oh, yeah, true. Sorry. RMB. Duh. It's like room, you know? Oh my god. It was like really massive boobs, right? So, okay. I'm gonna keep drinking this coffee. Clear my colon. Oh. There's gonna be a creepy guy in here. I already know it. Men's bathroom? Oh no, I'm a lady, actually. Let me throw my cup down because he's gonna get upset about it. Because that's how the game goes. And I know how the game goes. And you know what? This might be less annoying for you guys to watch, considering God, I gotta take a fucking Wiz Khalifa. Fuck. Oh, I'm definitely drinking a little bit of this. Can't. Had to open it first. Scroll up. Oh, I'm definitely drinking that. I'm not a fan. You're a vegetable. You're a vegetable. You're a vegetable. Like a buffet. You're a vegetable. Oh, wow. I'm very hydrated. John Malkovich? Whoa, ma'am. Sorry. Didn't know anyone was in here. You almost gave me a fucking heart attack. I'm so sorry. Should have knocked before I came in, but there isn't usually anyone in here this late. No, it's fine. You're just doing your job. Should have knocked. Yeah, well, you should have fucking knocked. Again, I'm sorry. I usually do knock, but I'm a little bit frustrated tonight. Husta slipped my mind. Musta. Why are you frustrated? Someone keeps throwing coffee cups on the floor all over the office. It's been happening for weeks. Well, yeah, that's me, actually. Did someone raise you in a barn? There's trash cans all over the office. Act like an adult and use them. Well, I need to get back to it. Don't want to be here all night picking up coffee cups. Yeah, have a good night. I meet a lot late night workers, but you're one of the most dedicated ones here. Huh? Okay, slam the fucking door on my face? Have no spatial awareness? Cool, yeah, do that. Mop the floor. Let me go get another fucking coffee. You just pissed me off. I need a vice right now. You're a vegetable. You're a vegetable. I don't know what he says there. You're a vegetable. It's like a buffet. You're a vegetable. Okay, well, let's just throw a full cup of water on the floor and see what happens. Because that would be really funny if I did. Fuck this fucking guy. Matter of fact, let's decorate this fucking place. Fuck you. Fuck you. Walk in the ladies' bathroom and just fucking... do that. Mad fucking weird. I don't care what time of night it is. You know I'm dedicated, so you knew I'd be in there, you fucking creep. Check this out. Kobe. In the cubicle, right on the table. I'm so good at this. I really am. This is my fucking game. You know what I mean? Oh, look, a lidded one. That's special. And you know what else? Just because I'm extra fucking petty, let's throw it right in front of your face. Yeah, mop that shit up. Get it? No, you missed a spot. Sorry, that's so cute of me. I act like that. Alright, well, what's the next? Don't forget to take breaks, ma'am. Okay. I'm just gonna leave. Getting a call. This fucking piece of shit guy. I remember this guy. The loser. But he does end up saving my life. Alright. I'm just practicing my squats, actually. Hello? Go for Sydney Harper. Oh. Go for Sydney Harper. What?
Hey, Harp, it's Mike.
Hey, Mike.
I've been trying to call your cell for the last 2 hours. It just keeps going to voicemail.
Oh my god, I'm
Is
so
everything
cold.
alright?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. There we go. I've been trying to call your cell for the last 2 hours. Just keeps going to voicemail. Is everything alright? Yeah, my phone's been acting up
Oh,
lately.
snap. I
Oh,
was
snap.
starting
Oh,
to think maybe you were ignoring me. I'm just kidding. Anyway, what are you still doing at work? It's getting kind of late.
Work has been overwhelming.
Damn, Harp, that sounds rough. Good thing I called to cheer you up. About our trip, did you get a chance to book the rental house? Just really wanted to see you. And Nora.
No, you fucking didn't want to see Nora, you little fucking... Put your penis back in your butt.
You seem a bit annoyed about me calling. Seriously, Harp, if this is a bad time. That's the Sydney Harper I know. I'm sorry if I was being pushy.
I'm just struggling.
No worries, Harper. I don't want to stress you out. As long as you book it tonight, I think it'll be fine. Hey, I was thinking, since we both live in the city, maybe I could pick you up and ride together. It'd be nice to catch up.
Shut the fuck
You know,
up.
save on gas and relive the good old days. Just a little bit of Mike and Sydney time before Nora gets there. Great. I guess I'll let you get back to work then. Oh, wait, one more thing. When you book the rental, please make sure to keep it under $100 a night.
Yeah, you're cheap as fuck. You're making me.
Nora and I were talking,
You're not
and
shit.
she's
You've
been on
never
a pretty
been
tight
shit. You're
budget.
never gonna be shit.
Things haven't been going very well for her. It'll be just like the old college days. You always had a knack for finding the best spots. Right, of course. Sorry for yapping. I'm just excited, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, talk to you later, Harp.
Oh, I'm so close to switching to Overwatch. Just a yapper doodle. He loves a good yap. Needed to book the cabin. Oh, yeah, true. I forgot I'm the fucking man in this relationship. Here, let's do that. Easy. Watch this. Look how easy it is. Doo-doo-doo, boo-doo-doo-doo. I click on the thing and then the boo-doo-doo. Boo-doo-doo, boo-doo-doo, boo-doo. I can do this with my fucking hand inside my asshole and coming out of my mouth. Wearing myself like a bracelet. Oh, it has to be under. Okay, it's not gonna let me. Yeah, well, I want to pick the most expensive thing because fucking why am I doing this? I'm at work. This is pathetic. I'm literally at work. You fucking do it. You called me while cranking one out at home. Remove the penis from your hand and go onto your computer. You were already on it. You were already on it. Yakking off. Under $100? Maybe this piece of shit that was on the fucking opening screen of the game. Yeah, that's awful. Hey, I'm assuming you get hundreds, if not thousands, of stories sent daily. So I'll give you a basic rundown of something that happened to me. Sorry if some of it is written weird, but I was rushed. When I was in my early 20s, I worked at a big consulting firm in my city. Life at the firm was a constant juggle of deadlines, client meetings, and trying to prove my worth, which didn't leave much room for leisure, let alone a social life. The job paid well, sure, but at the expense of my mental peace. Oh, I'm Sydney Harper, and this story takes place during one of those days. One of my college friends, Mike, suggested that we take a weekend getaway to rural Vermont, which sounded like a perfect break from the cycle of work. And my other friend, Nora, was quick to jump on board as well. Oh, Nora. The plan was simple. We rent a small cabin. Close our shift early on Friday, leave, and be back on Monday. Mike came to pick me up and finger me for 5 hours. What? Yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm ignoring your call because you're fucking mad, like needy. Oh shit! I forgot that I left my bags in my thing. They want you to think that Mike is the killer. Arp. That's still how you hug people? Yeah, you smell like milk. Why don't you hug me like you missed me? Just a test hug to see if you smelled like milk first. Fair enough, but for the record, I showered just for the occasion. Nothing's too good for Sydney Harper. Oh, so I get forced to touch him? That's cool. You can just throw your stuff in the back. We'll get on our way. Sure. Go back to the fucking... I think I left my... I swear to God I left my bags in. God, I am walking so seductively slow to the fucking back of this truck when I know damn well I want none of that. I'm not doing this on purpose, it's just how I am. Alright then, Harp, are you ready to hit the road? Let's do this! I don't give a fuck where Nora is, because she's not real. And you're not real. Not a real man, at least. He can't even, like, he's just so obviously trying to crack. He just looks milky to me. He's got, like, a milk look. Like, his breath smells like green beans, and his body smells like milk. Just something like that. Like, he just lives with his mom, he just smells like milk. Yeah, what's up, bitch? Harp, isn't it weird? We used to dream about escaping our college, and now here we are. Trying to escape from the life we wanted to live. We couldn't wait to get out into the real world. Maybe we just didn't know how much the real world would, you know, suck sometimes. Change is just hard, like trying to adjust to the new job. How's your new job going? We're working on this project that was machine learning to predict market trends. It's pretty cutting edge stuff. Wow, I'm bored. Not quite Tony Stark yet, but I'll take it. You know, I never understood. What do consultants even do? We consult. That sounds like... Rick. That sounds like shit. Important work. Okay. Wait, I want to check my phone. Harp, do you ever miss... Shut the fuck up. Shut up and drive. Shut up and drive. I've been looking for a driver who's qualified. And you think you're the one standing to my right. And I find some supersonic speeding machine with a sunroof top and a gangster lean. So if you really let me know, then what you waiting for? My engine's ready to explode, so let me up and watch me go. You know, someone's idea of turning it into a tiny... Jesus Christ, you almost died, Mike. Learn how to fucking drive. That was close. You know, I read on the internet in the Native American lore, seeing a deer across your path is like getting a message from the universe. How far is it now? Should be about an hour and a half from here. You know, driving through the snow kind of feels like we're traveling through the intergalactic space. What do you mean? Look at the way the snowflakes swirl around the headlights. Shut up, you're not deep. It's like stars and galaxies rush. Shut the fuck up, you are gone. You talk too much, lady. It's kind of beautiful. Is it? Yeah? God, he's so bisexual, it's not even funny. Just incredibly bi. You know what I mean? That's what they talk about. Just the way the snowflakes swirl around. He wants a bi threesome, for sure. He is performative. Yo, Harp, check that out. Yeah. Pizza. You know, Harp, I gotta tell you, these new GPS systems are something else. This pizzeria is exactly where it appeared on my GPS. It's like living in the future. I'm so hungry. I think I could eat a whole pizza myself. Cool. Alright then, Harp, Operation Pizza's pit stop is a go. Prepare to land. Also, on that note, happy Pride. Happy prom. Oh, you're already at the door because you're not real? Like I said, come on in, Harp. What are you wearing?
Hey, you.
He's got that I don't want to be perceived look. He had a gray sweater and jeans on with tactical, sensible sneakers. You can't hide from me. You know the real you. hungry. I mean, I don't know. Oh, this fucking guy. Here we go. This is it. This is it. This is our guy. This is our best friend. This is Bestie. Walks up to the coffee thing and does jazz hands. He's out of his mind. He's walking up to everything and has jazz hands. Oh, don't put your dick in the coffee chute. You put it in the dispenser and then walked away? Is that what you do? You go to every town that has a pizzeria or some sort of diner and just put your penis in the holes of any dispenser? Well, that's my last coffee of the night. We're just walking up to stuff and fucking... What? I know you want to talk to me. You're the fucking guy. What's up, buddy? Am I supposed to right-click? I'm so confused. Oh my god, give me a break. How you doing, my friend? Not bad, you? I'm as good as a man can be, my friend. Are you here for the pizza? No, just looking for a little help. Good luck. Alright. Hey, dude, I'm not bad. Yeah, well... Maybe I can help you. Maybe you can, but you go on and get some pizza first, eh? Maybe we'll catch up later. Alright, cool. Fucking order the fucking pizza. I'm gonna put my mouth right against your ear. Evening, folks. Looks like the cold's got everyone craving pizza tonight. What's happening to my screen? Y'all see that? Fix the screen. Oh, yeah. I don't know what's happened. Oh, how did that even happen? No, I thought you guys couldn't see that, so I just went back to playing the game. Oh, I'm sorry. That's my bad. I know. My bad. That's annoying, because I was like that for like fucking 8 minutes. Jesus. I feel bad for the guy, though. No, I don't. Let me eat this pizza. Fuck. Mad weird. I'm gonna RMV to burp. Right up in your face. You love it. You love me. Say it.
Oh, you guys. You guys are going to hate me. I swear I'll get on the road as soon as I can. But something last minute popped up.
I'm gonna get up while he's eating, just to display my dominance. Holy, that was good. Yeah, I know, it was good. Can we walk while we talk? Alright then, are you ready to hit the road? Maybe we can beat the whole worst of the snow. Are we close? Let's see if my GPS is right. Should be about another hour. Give me this piece. Harp, the weather is awful. Why don't you drive part of the way home? I'm afraid of what kind of break you're going to give me, Harp. You'll be afraid if you don't give me the keys. Fine, but there's one condition. What is it? You have to blow me right now in front of all these people in this pizza restaurant. I get first choice of bedrooms when or if we get there. What is it? You have to blow me right now in front of all these people in this pizza restaurant. I get first choice of bedrooms when or if we get there. Ooh. Fuck you. Like, what? Like, who is your mother? Who is your mother? What do you think of your mom? How do you feel about your mother? Who was she to you? What does she mean to you? I mean, like, oh, my bad. Sorry. I thought you were a man for a second. I thought you were just completely kidding. I was gonna give you the keys, actually, when I got in the driver's seat. You were gonna walk around and get in the... Or other way around. You know what I'm talking about. You suck.
Good evening, Vermont. This is your host on WKWB, your hometown station, bringing you the best tunes to warm your hearts on this chill night. As we embrace the first snowfall of the season, there's nothing like a perfect song to set the mood. So here's a track that'll make you feel right at home. Coming up next, Be Sincere by Ned and Ultimates. Stay warm and stay tuned.
I don't wanna talk about what's on the ride. Picture me up on the mic, spitting what I like. I've been reminiscing on friends I'm missing. Maybe I can find them if they're still in my distance. Like, I don't mean shit weird, but come on, man, be sincere. We can be here 100 years and disappear. Online, and don't fight, man. I'm trying to make something from nothing. Like car stuck. There is plenty of me lurking in the streets, but you're certain that your purpose is circles in the city. You cannot pick up the phone, you cannot even write back. Isn't this all we're living for? Isn't that sad? But if it's where we're headed, I don't want to recollect.
This is what I'm looking for. Isn't that sad?
So hit me back and I'll send you some love. Don't intercept on me, cause I just want to be your one. Like real, check me out. I'm the man of the minute. I'm feeling different from some pieces that fuck.
Alright, okay, I can't back up. Oh no, I made a mistake. How do I get Harp? You sure we can park here? Nah, I don't think so. I might have tripped the game by doing this. I've made a mistake. Yeah, see, you can't reverse here.
I keep a ride on my side. I like the words out of mouth, seems to lighten my life. I'm connected to her heart like the moon and the tides. And besides, no one can take her up and out of my life. I think the words come together well, and that's no coincidence.
Wait, we'll have to walk? Shut the fuck up. Come on, Mike. Let's go. Where are you at, buddy? We gotta walk. Buddy, old pal. Oh, shit. I did not want to do this. Restart. I swear to God, in that song, that guy went, I'd give a nutsack to go to Disneyland for my birthday. He said that. Like, that's how bad that song was. I'm sorry. No, I'm not. I'd give my nutsack to go to Disneyland on my birthday. Is it this way? Mike. Hey, Mike. 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 Oh, I can't take it. Woodbury. Oh yeah, so I am gonna go this way. Oh, nice. So you go slower through the bridge? Good. Drown myself to reset? Okay. Oh, I can't. Can I? Ah, I can't. It's out of bounds. Let's take a 3-hour walk through this 3 feet of snow. If nothing happens while I walk to the house, I'm gonna be so upset. Because this is literally just... This would just be walking. Oh... I'd give a nutsack to go to Disney Low, and then it'll reset me from dying of disease. Give a nutsack to go to Disneyland on my birthday. You know how they say everybody work there, everybody want to play on their birthday, everybody want to do what the birds sing, because the birds singing into my ear. I hear voices in my ear. I hear things telling me to do crazy things, like eat pee out of the snow, out of the riverbank and the snowbank, trying to eat pee out of the snowbank. Go to the pee bank, get a little mo bank by peeing in the pee bank, get pee out the pee ATM, and then I go into the ATM again. And I rob somebody for their P currency. I don't know where I'm going, I'm just going. That's it. That's all. Restart. It has autosave. It will bring you to the last checkpoint. Oh, thanks. Yeah, well, thanks. How do you fucking do that? That's the fucking question, yeah. I'd give a nutsack to go to Disneyland on my birthday. In the worst way. I'll be up first thing in the morning listen to the birds sing. I give my nutsack for my birthday. I chop my balls off for my birthday just to hear the birds sing. In the worst way. Do it on my birthday. It's my birthday. It don't hurt me. It don't hurt me when I chop my nuts off. Then I crank one out till I bust off. Everybody know this is not a bus stop. This is a playground. Man, I am lost. And I'm walking through the snow on a grim night. Not a man in sight. Not even Mike. Do you see Mike? I don't see Mike. It's cold as fuck. All I see is white. It's dark as fuck. All I see is night. Ain't nobody home, but I'm seeing lights. Is this the house? Is this driving you insane to watch me walk through the snow? Are you not soothed? Are you not soothed? I give my nutsack on my birthday to go to Disneyland on my birthday. Everybody knows that I do it in the worst way. This ain't a nut day. This is a squirt day. I'm about to squirt all over my... Where's the house? Huh? I don't know how to fucking restart. I am 67 years old. And I don't know how to restart. Bitch, that's what happens. Just turn the computer off. I don't fucking know. Alt F4. Oh. No, period. Oh, that's... I actually did it. I hit all F4. Fuck you, I love my wallpaper. You love my wallpaper. You know you love it. It's cute as fuck. Just wiggling around. You motherfuckers think I've been on the internet. I'm not on the internet. Like, I don't do this shit. I don't play on PC. I'm on the internet. I'm just not on PC. I'm not even... No, fuck that. I'm not even on the internet. Ah! Alright, I'm playing Overwatch because this shit sucks. I get my nutsack to play Overwatch. Wait. I can play it now. I can play it now. Cause it's Overwatch. Got it downloaded. I give you a nutsack to play Overwatch. I'm not even sleepy, I'm just cold. The fuck? Oh, you guys. I have to tell you something. You're gonna love it, and you're not. Some of you are gonna be like, ah, okay. So I bought a Go XLR, and so I am going to set up my Go XLR right now. So that when I stream, which I will be literally streaming all the fucking time, basically. I love doing this shit. But I want to set it up now so that I can fuck around with it, because I could do reverb. If you don't know what a Go XLR is, you probably do. But I can like do all types of goofy shit. I'd give a nutsack to set up my Go XLR. Yeah, setup's probably easy, but I still need help. I just want to do it quick because I'm excited. Yeah, I'm digging in my ass. I had a couple chunks down there. I put them in my pocket. I'm gonna save them for later to chew on. It's very hairy, so I can save my chunks on a vine of my pubes, like grapes, and I can pick the chunks off and give them a little nice snacking later. You digging in your butt, twin? Exactly. I cannot count how many pubes I have on my butthole. I will tell you that. I will tell you that. I don't know how many I have. Well, I'll be back, I swear. Just not tonight. But love you guys. Bye.